So now I'm going to use protractor. How to use protractor I'm going to explain. So the various parts of the protractor are, this is the baseline. This printed horizontal line is the baseline, and this is the center mark of your protractor. The center mark of your protractor, and it is graduated or marked in terms of degrees: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 90, 100, 130, up to 180 degree in anti-clockwise, as well as it is also graduated in terms of angles from 0 degree. This horizontal baseline is the corresponds to 0 degree. This printed line, horizontal line, 0, 10, 20, up to 180 in clockwise. Okay. For example, if you want to draw a 30-degree line, means first you draw one horizontal line as reference and mark a point on this horizontal line where you want to draw. For example, 30-degree line. I locate a point at here. The 30-degree line to be drawn. Okay. With this as 0-degree line. This will act as 0-degree. Horizontal line will act as 0-degree. The baseline of your protractor, this horizontal line, printed line, must coincide with this drawn horizontal line. Okay. And the located point must coincide with the center of your protractor. That is, this is that point, base point. Okay. So keep like this. Adjust your protractor. 0-degree line must coincide with this baseline, and mark an angle of 30 degree. 0, 10, read like this: 20, 30 degree, put a point. Also, it corresponds to 150 degree referred in this direction. So for better understanding, this is 0-degree line, horizontal line. With this as reference, locate a point. That the point of location must coincide with this center of your protractor. Center of your protractor means this is that point, base point, center point. Okay. Must coincide with this horizontal line and locate an angle of 30 degree. For 30, this inner circle is to be read. Okay, 30. This corresponds to 30 degree. Put a point. Remove your protractor. Using freehand scale or by using drafter scale, you can join the point. So this corresponds to 30 degree referred in this direction. Okay. Suppose if you want to mark an angle of 30 degree towards the left hand side. Left hand side means this is the side. Okay. Again, you reset your protractor. Locate the center of your protractor. Coincidence with this marked point as reference. Read like this: 0, 10, 20, 30, put a point. Okay. Join the marked points with the located point, 30 degree. This is left hand side 30 degree. Okay. So 90 degree means will be perpendicular line. So locate the center of your protractor. Coincidence with this baseline. 90 degree, read like this: 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. 90 means vertical point, 90. This corresponds to 90 degree. Remove your protractor, join it by using scale. This corresponds to 90 degree. Okay. Similarly, 45 degree, locate the center of your protractor. Read like 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Between 40 and 45, center point, the center graduation will stand for 45 degree. Remove it, join it by freehand scale. This corresponds to 45 degree. Put an arrowhead, shade the arrowhead, and you can write that angle 45 degree like this. This corresponds to inner dimension, stands for 30 degree. So this is a purpose. This is a way to mark required angle using ordinary protractor. And thanks for listening. Yes.